everything that is in here needs to be cleaned. So I've cleaned most of the pitchers and everything, but the rest of these will go and get cleaned too. Okay, so popped it off, and I put the blank in, which you can find over here in the toolbox. Now the Palo tool has a little teaspoon on the end of it, so I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon in here, and I'm going to press the brew stop, and I'm going to get it wet, and I'm going to let it like kind of dissolve if I can, and then I'm going to put it up here. And I'm going to press this for about 5 seconds or so. And then I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to stop it for about 5 seconds. And then I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to do that for 5 times. So 5 on, 5 off, 5 on, 5 off. Meanwhile, I'm putting hot water in here. And I'm going to put soapy water in here. Question? Go ahead, you do it.
All I saw though is that you're pushing this button.
Brew stop.
The way you do.
Right.
To brew.
And nothing's coming out.
So is it because there's no weight from the coffee?
No, because that thing that I put in there is called a blank. There were no brew holes in it. Okay, so maybe 2 more times.
And then do this little bit again.
No.
No?
No, I've just got hot water.
Oh, okay. So
for
just
this.
do this 5 times.
Yeah. So now I'm just soaking this in the hot soapy water, and this stuff is coming right off. I'll show you with the other one. It comes right off. Okay, now I'm going to do this one since we're closed. We don't have to worry about any more customers coming in. We hope. And I'm just going to put this in there and let it soak. And you'll see that the stuff starts just coming right off. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to put this in there too. Okay, so we've done it about 5 times, right, Amanda?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to take it off. Ooh, dirty.
Ooh.
And I'm going to rinse it. Then I'm going to put I'm going to try to protect my hand here a little bit. And I'm just kind of like rinsing the gasket, trying to get it clean a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to do this 10 times. Just on and off. Rinse, rinse, rinse. It's rinsing it. And I want that to be clear by the time I'm done. Plus I've got this blank in there.
Oh, okay.
And we're actually washing this. So that's what we have to use. So
Okay.
I would say that's at the minimum clean. So I'm going to maybe go a couple more times. Looking good. Done. So now I'm going to put, okay, Amanda, you're up. Teaspoon in there. Okay. Sorry. Now I'm going to just get a little hot water and I'm going to scrub that out. Look, it's coming out. See, that part is the coffee residue. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to clean that. And I'm trying to clean the ears. And I want to get all that.
Okay.
And that's it. That's all I need. I'm going to put it in here to rinse it off. This is super hot water. Okay. Did you rinse it?
Not yet. Now I'm gonna go.
Okay, 5 seconds. So basically 25 seconds, right? And you could even go like this. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. So I'm also scrubbing these while I'm waiting for those to wash. I'm just going right around the rim.
You get all the grime off.
Yeah, we're getting all the grime off.
Okay.
It comes off really easy if you soak it in that soapy water. Now I'm going to rinse them out. And I'm just going to rinse them because I'm going to push.
So now you put them back together.
Yeah, I just put it back together. That one's done.
Okay. And
Okay, now
then-
take it out.
Oh,
Yes.
nasty mud.
Just
Oh,
down
right
there.
here.
Okay. Okay, now cover your hand like that. Press the brew stop. Do a little, you'll see, go up in it and just kind of try to get your ears in there without actually pressing.
Oh.
Stop.
Okay. Oh.
That's okay. That's okay. Put it back up there.
Okay, get the ears in.
Yeah,
Okay,
get the
there we
ears
go. Okay, now I see.
So you're just putting the ears in, but you're not twisting
I'm kind
it.
of like going like this, up and
Kind of
down.
getting the water.
Yes,
Okay.
like that, rocking it around.
Oh, okay.
But, okay, that's good. Okay,
I'm
take that
making a
out. Let's
mess.
see what it looks like. Good. Rinse. Put that in the box. Good. Now put it back up there. And close it. And press on and off 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
There we go.
Awesome.
10 times.
Good. Take it out. How's it look?
Eh.
Yeah. So let's get, I'll tell you what, let's get this. And and just be careful because you see how hot it is.
Yeah.
Okay, now put it back up there and just do it a couple more times and see how it turns out. How's that look?
Just about clear.
Good. Good.
That's good.
Okay, so I want you to pop that blank out now. Up and twist. And, okay, so now this one needs to kind of go in here. Just kind of like get it wet. And then I just kind of scrub that out. And then see how it's kind of caked on there? On that ridge?
Yes.
And then in here, just all nice and clean. Good. Now I'm going to rinse that stuff off. And I'm going to put it back on. And I'm done. So now, I'll put this, but these are going to go into the sink. This is the fun part. This pops out. Go right over to the rinse sink with it. Or right in here. How about that? Fast. Okay, look at this. Soupy, wooky water. So it just kind of pops out like this.
Okay.
And so you've got this drain hole, right?
Yeah.
So I try to grab it like that. And I'm coming over here and I'm going to put this in there. Get rinsed and washed. And then what I do is I just find a pitcher. I fill it with water. And I'm going to rinse out this. See, this is a drain box here.
Oh,
And there's
yes.
a drain hole here. And it collects yucky, gross stuff. So I'm trying to get that stuff to go down the drain. And why we take it out is so we can watch it, because otherwise it would overflow. You know, this really goes pretty quickly actually at the end of the day, or around
Oh, I'm
5:30.
sure.
It really does.
Once you learn.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
No.
Okay. Good. Okay, so all these things are going to get washed. All this stuff is going to get washed. I'm just going to go set it back there. These are going to get